Hey everyone, my name is Your Villager and welcome back to Village Vlogs. And today I am going to be looking up weird ringtones on Zedge. And if you don't know what that is, it's an app made for wallpapers and ringtones. And I found a category section, and there's comedies. The comedies, very weird. Most of them, at least. So we're gonna go check them out. So this one's called Donald Duck. Let's listen to this. I kind of enjoyed it. Not weird. Let's look at more. This one is probably one of the most stupidest ones. Trump Hotline Bling. I haven't heard it yet. Sounds stupid, so it's gonna be stupid. Let's see. Please load. Come on, please. For the fans. For the fan. For the fans. Come on, phone. You shy? He's shy. Very shy. Okay, I got it fixed. Let's do this. Trump Hotline Bling. Still haven't heard it yet. I just went to another ringtone, played it, so it should work now. Are you kidding me? Come on. It just played. Are you kidding me? Come on. Please work for the fans.
You call me on the cell phone. Call me on the cell phone.
Weird one. And if you don't believe that said Trump Hotline Bling, look at this. Trump Hotline Bling. Oh my god. The weirdest one yet. And we've only gone through 2. Let's go to the number. Come on, phone. Stay in place. Okay, so, wait, no. That's iPod. This is phone. Okay. Hold on a second. This one's called Lion Sleep Tonight. I don't know what it is, but let's see. YouTube. So this one's called Eye of the Tiger. Let's play it right now. Please play. Please? Please? Please?
It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. It's rising up with my life.
You were terrible. Don't try and make that sound better, because you made it worse. Okay, this one's probably the weirdest one. It's called Wake Up or I Kill You by someone. Let's hear it.
Hello, wake up or I kill you.
I'm sorry.
Hello, wake up or I kill you.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Hello.
Okay, just by the title. Okay, just by the title, I know what this is. So let's just play it, and I'm gonna act it out for you guys. No, please.
Do it. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it. Make your dreams come true.
So let's hear this out, and then if it's something to act out, then I'm gonna act it out. So let's hear it right now. It's called Elmo's Got a Gun.
Elmo's got a gun. Big birds on the run. Ernie's dialing 911. What made Elmo snap? Was he tired of Big Bird's crap? They say when Elmo was arrested, they found Oscar headless in the trap.
Okay, so we're just gonna do a tiny bit of that. Just a tiny bit. Because that's way too long, first of all, and weird, so don't want to ruin your childhood. So I'm just gonna go get the materials to do this. Okay, so I got my gun. So let's do this. Let's do this. getting ready. Come on now, you won't work. Oh, I didn't even click it.
Elmo's got a gun. Big Bird's on the run. Ernie's dialing 911. What made Elmo snap?
Yeah, that was the weirdest one. What was that? Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.